5 opportunities you can only get when you visit an open house.
Number 1. Explore the property in person. You can experience the layout, flow, and feel of the property in a way that online photos and videos can't replicate. Number 2. Observe the neighborhood. It's a great chance to check out the surrounding area, assess street noise, traffic, and proximity to amenities such as parks, schools, or shops. Number 3. Gauge natural light and atmosphere. Photos often don't capture how much natural light a home gets, so visiting in person lets you see how bright and welcoming the home feels. Number 4.
Ask questions directly. The listing agent is typically on site and can provide in-depth information about the property, local market conditions, and offer insights that might not be in the listing.
Number 5. Meet potential neighbors. You might meet current neighbors or other prospective buyers, giving you a feel for the community and the type of people who live nearby.
What are you waiting for? Join our team for an open house in 5548 Loma Vista Loop, Davenport, Florida, this Sunday, November 24, 2024, at 11 a.m. to 4 p.m.